This is an AIRAJ soldering iron bought from AliExpress. They claim that it has temperature control, but no, it doesn't have. First, the heating element have only two connections. Second, the red light doesn't turn off at all, even when the temperature should stabilize. It's just a simple phase control. When it's on minimum, the light is weak. When I'm turning it to the maximum, the light goes brighter, but never stops to heat the element. So it doesn't have any temperature control. It's just phase control, which controls the power to the heating element.